Well, that's good. It took a bit of work to take that out of it, but now it's still nice and tight in here, and it gives me some leverage on the other side to be able to move it closer to the other solid tree that I want to have as the support for the wall. When it was up here, it was jammed in too tight. I never had a good angle to push it over to the other one, so I probably even used the stump that came out of it as the support over here. So I'm going to check that out now. lot of fun. So I got this beam up, this one here. Then I got this secured a little bit better. But the plan is to be able to lay the ground logs so that they're level coming across this way. So I'm going to start laying some going across and then making sure that everything is secure in place. Then later on the next day when I come back up again, I can start working on the wall and the roof. So I'm just about ready to call it a day for now. The goal tomorrow, I want to get the rest of the floor laid and level up a bit. I know it's not completely level now, but I can, even if I double up with some logs going across. And then I want to put a ridge pole between here and here. And I'm going to put the wall up tomorrow. So I'm going to use some smaller wood to put a wall up here. And then that will be that's the goal for tomorrow anyway. If I have any more time after that, I'll see about putting a ridge pole up over that way. And then eventually I got to get a roof. But tomorrow, if I can get the floor done, leveled up, secure too. I want to put a few more supports here so we don't have a catastrophe. And yeah, the ridge pole across here. Put the poles here for the wall, and then work on possibly that wall and ridge pole across then for the roof. So anyway, coming along.